Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Toshiba EM925A5A-BS Countertop Microwave Oven, a sleek and stylish kitchen appliance in black stainless steel with a timeless design. This compact yet spacious microwave boasts a 0.9 cubic foot capacity and a 10.6-inch removable turntable, perfect for fitting a 10-inch pizza, all powered by 900 watts with 10 power settings. It comes equipped with 6 pre-programmed auto menus for popular foods like popcorn, pizza, and potatoes, and offers the convenience of defrosting by weight and time. With a one-touch start feature, you can quickly access cooking times from 1 to 6 minutes at full power, making meal prep a breeze. The microwave also includes a power-saving eco mode, a sound on-off option, and a child safety lock, ensuring both efficiency and safety in your kitchen. Rated at 120 volts and 60 Hz, this microwave has a rated input power of 1350 watts and an output power of 900 watts, making it both powerful and efficient. Illuminate your cooking with LED lighting and keep track of time with the built-in clock and kitchen timer, making this microwave a versatile addition to any modern kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.